We've been waiting for those. Got my security working over here.
Oh yeah. Want me anywhere specific?
Just on the porch is great. We're probably going to be moving them over to the car here in a second anyway. Sorry about that. Here we go.
I know. It's always a
Poof.
you know
That's how tight they pack it.
Yeah. You know those mattresses? That's
Oh,
like,
yeah.
It's kind of what this is like.
They are kind of air vacuum sealed, aren't they?
This isn't cutting very well. I'm scared I'm gonna.
Would you like it as a knife like
I would
these?
love a knife like these.
What do you say? A man should always have a pocket knife.
That's right. A real man has a pocket knife.
Cowboy boots and a hat, evidently.
Evidently.
You didn't buy me a cowboy boots and a hat.
Well, you weren't there. I gotta
I'd be
take you.
So freakishly tall with
For a
cowboy
dress
boots.
up. And that's a problem? Dude.
We're like 6'7".
And that's a problem? In what world is you being even taller a problem for me?
Got to be very careful when you cut these boxes open
That you do not cut
that
the
you do not cut the dress that is quickly below. I'm telling the
I've done
people.
it.
I'm telling the people. I know you know this.
No, I'm just saying I have done it.
Oh, you have?
Mm-hmm.
We would always put another,
Yep.
but see, there's this dress just right there.
Okay, so these are going to be really exciting for them to see because these are my designs.
What?
These are not. Oh, here I'm putting it in my pocket like it's my pocket. So these are laying very custom designs.
All right, so we'll get them all out and hang them, I guess, and show you some of them. All right?
Ooh, look how beautiful!
So shiny.
Oh my goodness! Here, let's let them see one dress coming out of the bag, right?
Okay.
At least.
Is that a good one?
I don't know, you tell me. Is that a good one?
Doesn't shine in the phone nearly as much as it does in
not?
person. No, it doesn't look like
Okay,
it.
well hang on, we'll do another one. One more. Ooh, she heavy. That's how you know she's a good dress.
Yeah, that's it, right? They're heavy and very uncomfortable.
No.
No.
How beautiful. Okay, this is what I've been really excited about. So, Giorgio Armani. You know, we lost a Giorgio Armani this year. But his last Privé collection, which was his super high-end collection, was all black velvet and pearls. And I am not proud. I will 100%
Follow his trend.
follow his trend.
Like the way I phrased that?
Yes. So,
Oh, I'm digging this one. Yeah, that's good.
we have
It's like Starry, Starry Night.
the black velvet covered in pearls.
And you're going to put it on for everyone?
I couldn't squeeze into that. Look at that. Love it. Although I do them in corset back, so then we can adjust as needed. Look at it.
Look it.
Oh, love it. Okay.
That's good. All right, we're going to unpack these and then we'll show you them unpacked. Plan?
Plan.
Hey, while you're doing that though, real quick. Somebody asked, what is the plan? Will you be here forever?
Oh.
So you need to tell them a little bit about seasonal and how it
Yes.
goes here.
Formal wear is very much a seasonal business. We have two major seasons. Homecoming season, which is what we're in right now. And then we have prom season, which starts quite literally the day after Christmas. Girls get their Christmas money and they start prom dress shopping. So you've got...
There's a winter formal, which is smaller.
Yeah, I mean, it's not high season. We'll still be selling dresses all year long, but not at all like we're selling.
Are those the two biggest, homecoming and prom?
Yes. Sorry. I just have to take a moment. And look at that. So in September, half of October, I have to be here. Then January, February, and half of March, I have to be here. The rest of the year, my store manager, who is my niece Audrey, can probably handle everything that's going on. I'll have to pop back.
They do 1 week a month or something.
Yeah, I'll come back especially to do trunk shows, to do special orders, to do customs, that kind of thing. But I don't have to be here all the time. I also had somebody ask about the patterns. How do the patterns work? What, you know, do you draft it for a whole bunch of sizes? No. When I am, oh, this is so good. I'm so good. When I'm drafting patterns, I'm doing it for one customer. And I do it to her measurements, and it's a one of a kind. So there is no sending it to the factory and having them draft it in a 0 to a 26 like you would with a prom line. It's a one and done. So I would do my
I love that one.
oh my god. I would do it for her pattern and her size only. And that's the end of the story with that dress. Now, with my prom stuff out there, yeah. We've got to draft it for 152 different sizes. But for these, I stuffed my mannequin to be her size exactly. And there is one dress made for her only ever. Look at it.
It's a good one. All right, let's unpack this and hang it. All right, bye. Look at that.
Okay.
All right, they're all hung.
How beautiful.
That one doesn't look like it needs to be steamed.
Why would it? This fabric does not need to be steamed. You could roll it up and put it in your suitcase. But I mean, look at that. So this is my high-end line, but not my highest end line. So I have 3 levels. I've got my prom line, which I still use my factory to design and source at basically any dress you get at the Royal We is coming from me. It's all my factories, my production, my stuff. That is the prom line. That's gonna be, most of those dresses hanging on that wall are not gonna cost you at the most any more than $475 for the most expensive, but most of them are $395 or below. This is my mid-range pageant line. So these are gorgeous, they're beautiful fabrics, they're beautifully tailored, but these are going to run you $900 to $1,200.
Or you could wear them to prom.
Oh, absolutely, and I have girls who do. But it's designed as a pageant line. And then we have true couture. These are not true couture, so that's what these are the mid-range line that most people can afford, and they're really good for like locals. Of course, I would absolutely wear this on a state stage. I would definitely wear this on a state stage. But they're not my highest end. And then I'm gonna have my very, very, very highest end, which are the ones that I'm gonna sit down for you, measure for you, draw for you, draft for you, send the pattern for you, select all of your fabrics, all of your beads, draw your bead pattern, and those are gonna start at $1,500 and they can go
Through the
as
roof.
you want them to go, depending upon your beads and the fabrics that you use. So, yeah, there you go.
There you go. So this is about half of them, and then we've got the prom are over here.
Yeah.
Look at all those colors.
Beautiful.
This is the back room. People don't see this room. It's a little messy.
Storage, workroom.
Yeah. All right, there you go. That's a good one.
Yeah, I love this one.
Okay, bye.
Okay.
Kitten. There's Jack. This kitten wants to be in front and behind the camera.
Sir, are you filming?
I'm filming. This is a day and the day off in the life of
A self-employed person, a
Self-employed.
self-employed business owner. For all of you who think that being self-employed would be so much better than your 9-to-5 corporate job, you're so very, very wrong. This is one of the reasons I left my retail life and my self-employed life and my designer life years ago, because it's 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I'm literally, this is my 1 day a week off, and you saw that we unpacked dresses. We unpacked dresses, we called people, we went and picked up, you didn't see this, we went and picked up things from the seamstress, we dropped off things at the seamstress for alterations, we called clients to pick up their things from alterations, and now I'm placing my spring order. I spent an hour on the phone placing some quick homecoming order, and now I'm placing my spring order. So, and I'm wrestling kitten.
Yeah, wrestling kittens. And you got Jack on the bed, and we got Stanny on the bed. So,
So that's what it looks like.
This is just a day off.
This is a day off.
Yeah,
folks.
tomorrow we got to work some.
Yeah. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. Dang it.